Hello, today we'll talk about one-to-one real-time streams in Spring Boot using GPA. Our example will be user settings. The goal is to show how to link and it's how KZet and open removal work and how deleted parent affects the parent entity. We use Spring Boot example application properties for each two. For example, Spring this starts your GPS match to Spring data source driver class name, Spring data course username, Spring data source password, Spring GPA hybrid after create, Spring H2 console enable true, Spring GPA show SQL true. Only user knows its setting. User settings doesn't know user code sniper in user Java one-to-one case type all often remove true private user setting. So save user saves settings automatically. User settings no deleted settings deleting user deleting setting cascode. Repository example. Public interface user repository extends GPI repository using long. Both Both entities service each other. User settings, owner of the foreign key, join column, user universe site mapped by. Ex- Explain SQL behavior saving, insert into both tables, removing settings from user, delete from user settings, delete user, delete from user settings and user. Optional show small H2 SQL for visual understanding. Task person password rules. Each person has exactly one password. A passport can't exist without person. Deleting person delete passport. Remove password from person deleted passport. Implement both unidirectional and bidirectional versions. Check behavior using SQL logs. Insert delete. Conclusion. K takes away. Directional is simpler but can't navigate from dependent entity. Bidirection allow navigation from both sides. Cassette and open removal simply managing dependent entities. Call to action: try it yourself with person passport to see cascade and open removal in action. That's all.